on, guys? Dyna here, back at you with another video. Here on the Dyna channel, I like to focus on motorcycle safety tips, tricks, and road strategies to help keep you safe while you ride your motorcycle. I do a weekly release on Mondays talking about different motorcycle safety topics. If you like what you see, consider sticking around, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about riding on the highway or freeway for a beginner. A lot of us have anxieties or nerves or stuff like that going on when it comes to riding on highways, man, at higher speeds, 65, 75 miles an hour. And it's understandable. You're used to having a cage around you. You're used to having that protection, those airbags, that seatbelt, all that stuff to help keep you safe if something does happen. On a motorcycle, you don't have that. So you're exposed to the elements, you're exposed to any dangers. So the biggest thing you can do to help with those issues is to wear your gear. It's simple as that. Always wear your gear. Next biggest thing you can do is practice. Alright? Go to a parking lot and practice. Figure out where all your slow speed controls or all your controls are at. Your clutch, your brake, your front brake, your rear brake, your shift lever. Figure out how the bike responds to your inputs. Understand counter steering, all of that. You have to understand all those and have confidence in your ability to use those controls, so that way if something happens, you're not trying to find that brake, or that clutch, you're not trying to find that brake. You instinctively know where it's at, so you're not having to look for it, and you're able just to focus on what's going on around you. Next thing you can do is focus on your lane position. Put yourself in a lane position so that you constantly have an avenue of escape. Alright? You gotta have that avenue of escape if you're riding in traffic areas. If I had a car here in front of me, you know, I would first off, you need to increase your space distance if you're not already doing so, because that's going to increase the time available for you to be able to react to any hazards. But I'm going to position myself in my lane so that I can see beyond the vehicle ahead of me. I'm scanning in between he and I for hazards, but I'm also looking 10 to 12 seconds ahead, scanning for hazards. That way I could potentially see and recognize a hazard on the roadway before the driver in front of me even recognizes that there's a hazard. Always signal when you do your lane changes, check your mirror, and do a head check. So I'm on a highway right now. As you see, it's nobody around me. It's just me out here. So this is something else you can do to get used to the riding on these highways and the freeways. You can get out and you can ride these highways and these freeways. Pay attention when you're merging. Watch traffic, figure out where you're going to fit in, whatever else. Just like you do in a car. Get up to your merging speed before you actually merge on. Signal and signal, head check, mirror check, get on over. Alright, cool. So now that we're on, you can get out here and you can ride these highways and these freeways when there's not as much traffic. You don't have anything to worry about, man. This way you do it on the weekend, you're not pressed for time, you're out here on your own time, you don't have anywhere special to be, you're not rushing to a wedding or to a funeral home, anything like that. and just get out here and ride. Practice. Biggest thing you gotta do when you're riding out here is you just have to focus on riding. That's the great part about it. You know, like, that's the biggest thing you have to do. That's all you really have to worry about. So let's go ahead and recap that. Wear your gear. That way you're safe if something does happen, or you're protected if something does happen. Practice in a parking lot. Master those primary controls. Know where those controls are at, so if you need them, you can get them without having to look for the control itself. And you have the confidence. Alright? Practice on a weekend. Get out here and ride them. Okay? That way you get used to traveling at these speeds. Make sure you select a lane. If you have questions about how to select a lane so you can see and be seen, I'll put a card to my most recent Monday short right up here, giving you the capability to see what I mean about proper lane selection. And practice on the weekends. You don't have anywhere really to be. Get out here and get used to riding at these higher speeds. You know, like, I'm cruising down the road at 80 miles an hour. I don't have an issue in the world right now. Not an issue in the world. Because I'm used to it. I don't have anything to worry about. I've got myself set up. I've got like 5 seconds between the vehicle behind me and myself. Good 40 seconds between me and the truck ahead of me. Like, I'm good. I'm Gucci. Alright? If you guys like this content, you guys want to see more, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Smash the like button and comment your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. This video is actually a requested video, so if you guys have requests for videos and stuff that you guys have questions about how to go about doing safely, that you guys have concerns with, drop it in a comment down below. I'll respond to you and I'll let you know when I'm able to do the video. Alright? I love hearing from you guys, and I love getting that feedback. It's only going to help the channel grow better. It's going to help the channel grow faster. Alright, watch this guy, make sure he's getting that turn lane. Okay, cool, we're good. Alright, now just because we're riding safe doesn't mean we can't have some fun. Yahoo! Make sure you cancel your turn signals, guys. Anyway, I'm Dyna Rider. I'm out here riding around trying to give you guys tips, tricks, and road strategies, help keep you guys safe while you ride. If you guys have questions, comments, or anything like that, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love having the engagement. It's good for the channel. The word of safety out there, the more engagement this channel has. Dyna Rider out!